Good morning, my lawn care ninjas. We are back to attack. There's pizza with the sprayer spraying. We just finished this one and Jimmy's blowing off. We are back to attack because all the rain made Ninja slack. That's right. We're back to attack because all the rain made Ninja slack. Anyway, just want to say good morning, guys. It's been raining yesterday, bad, pretty much all day, and we didn't really do nothing. Nor did I really want to record. What's the point of recording? We was just raining. Just non-stop rain. So around 3-4 o'clock I went and did a couple. Got about 6-7 yards into it, and that was it. And today we're gonna wrap up the week. We've done so good that even with the rain, I didn't get too far behind because we've stayed on top of it. Especially Wednesday and Thursday, me and Pizza knocked it out because it was just two of us solo, and we really pushed it to get it done or stay on top of it because I had a feeling the rain would be coming. So we're gonna finish it today and call it a day. Call it a week. But anyway, let me show you what the ninjas are doing. What are you doing, Pizza?
What's up, YouTube?
Jimmy's back.
What's up, world?
He's back. He's back to attack.
These weeds, baby.
Yeah, we're spraying them, pulling them. See, the back, super narrow, just a couple, 2-3 passes and it's done. Look at these American hollies. These suckers are huge. They're probably about, I don't know, 250, 300 pounds each. There's one right there, one right here, one right there. That's 3. 4, 5, 6. So that's 6, and they're huge, and they're actually still growing. I put those in. I put them all in. It was challenging, I'm not gonna lie. It was challenging, and he wants to do probably 5 or 6 more this fall, winter, which is when we did these. We did them last fall, winter. So I've learned from it, and so this next 5-6 when we do, I'm gonna do it an easier way. But yeah, guys, yesterday it was raining. Like I said, I only did a few, and I wanted to stay on schedule. But I didn't record. There was just nothing to record. I mean, it was just wet, raining for more than half a day, and then around 3-4 o'clock it kind of died down, and I was like, well, I guess I could go knock out a few yards and just, instead of just sitting at home. That's basically it. Oh, answer one question. I need a shave, by the way, way past due. A lot of you guys have asked me, why are you not driving a new truck? Who buys a new truck and then just doesn't use it? Whatever, dude. I am doing something with the truck. So, nothing crazy, just adding a little things, doing a few things with it. And once it's done, I'll be using it. So until it's not done, what's the point of trying to transfer, you know, put all the tools over and all that crap when it's not done. So just stay tuned. I mean, I bought the truck for a work truck. I'll drive it, I'll use it. You ninjas worry too much. It's all good. I'm just messing with you guys. I'm trying to snap out of it. Actually, it's early in the morning, and we're gonna have a decent day. So too much talking. I'm gonna show you guys some action as we go up into these next couple yards. Stay tuned, my ninjas. Thank you everyone for watching. Thank you for subscribing, supporting my channel, us, and I will continue to deliver. See you, ninjas. Peace. Well, here we are at the next one, ninjas. I can't remember if I've ever recorded this one or not, so I figured I'd go ahead and hit record for a little bit. We're just getting started. Jimmy's over there weed eating, and Pizza's over here. It's getting ready to start the mower. Anyway, one thing, this is uphill, guys. I don't know if you can, it's not too steep, but it's pretty, and you can just tell with my hand. You can just see how that car's parked right there. But she wanted me to look at these shrubs. They, whatever, she and her husband. And she wants them trimmed and remulched. Just this front bed. How much would you charge? That included, of course. The backyard in this one is a lot bigger than the front. Well, she may not want this bed included because it's got pine straw. And she said she wanted to refreshen the mulch in the front, so I'll have to check with her on that one. Here's the back. It's actually a pretty solid yard. It has a drop as well, you can see.
No, there ain't no stopping us. Fly without boarding pass. Couldn't catch me, I be moving fast. Call me a shooting star. Let 'em know who you are. Flying up in a bar. Wish on a star. Time to show 'em who's in charge. Call me a shooting star.
See, what do we have here?
Oh, somebody's going to jail.
Oh, snap.
Locked up, don't let her out, she's locked up.
Damn, Daniel.
Damn.
Y'all see that? Y'all see that? They had her handcuffed, they were putting her in the back seat.
Damn.
guys, we are at this next one, and it's quite overgrown actually, believe it or not. We've had lots of rain here, so we're just tackling it, wanting to get it done. Let me show you the back. Yeah, this is definitely overgrown. The back, it's not a big yard at all, but it is a little bit overgrown. It is a bi-weekly actually. Property lines is like right around there somewhere. You can see where the neighbor stopped. The guys are wanting to get done by like 5-ish, 5:30. But so we're trying to do that. We haven't stopped and taken a lunch today actually. They brought their own sandwiches and they've just been eating between jobs. It's real muggy and real humid today, guys. I guess with all this rain, it's just really muggy. I'm at the point where I don't even turn the truck off as we're doing these yards. I just let the AC run because what's the point when we turn it on? You know, we're rushing to crank the AC up and get it cooled off. There it is. The ninjas are back to attack because the rain made us slack. All right. Just wanted to show you another one. I'm gonna go ahead and join them. I'll probably jump on the Turf Tiger and tackle the back here while Pizza's taking care of the front. That way we'll be done quicker. See you guys. So no matter how many times we run over it, there's just so much access grass. I think Pizza said he ran over the front 3 times. I know I ran over the back twice with the Turf Tiger and it's still clunky. He was gonna go ahead and start doing it the 4th time and I kind of waved him down. I said, no, stop, we gotta move. Yeah. He's heading that way. Start blowing off, yeah. He's almost finished. Hey, when you blow off, the only other thing we can do, I was just telling YouTube even, how many times did you run over? 3 times, and I know I ran over. Both directions. I ran over the back twice. So, and it's still clunky. I mean, that's how overgrown it was. Huh?
It's so thick, I cut it on 3.5 and then back down to 3 on the second cut.
Only thing I saw that Jimmy missed right there up against the street where the white line is.
I'll let him know when he comes back.
Yeah, but when you blow off, when you get done blowing off the driveway, walkway, whatever, the only other thing is just maybe spread it a little bit with the blower. Pizza in a good mood today.
What's up, YouTube? It's all about that quality.
Quality or quantity?
Quality.
Quality. Quality before quantity. That's our cooler. Snipers.
We're like a sniper. We're all about the quality, not the quantity.
How do we make the ninja sound? I am drenched, guys. I mean, it is a massive storm that just came in out of nowhere. Look at that. The wind is pushing the rain. Get in. Look at Pizza. We are drenched. Drenched. I mean, there's flood warnings and everything. It just came out of nowhere. I mean, look at it.
That's what you call a dedication, boys.
Woo! Woo! Damn! What's up?
What's up, world?
Man, I'm honking over here. Philip, let's go. And you went to the back.
This man went to the back, bro. He went to the back. Look, I seen him. The fuck? I thought the wind blew him to the back, bro. The wind almost blew me down the hill, bro.
Hey, it did blow me down there. I fell over.
I was in the little hole part already. I was like, good. I got a little stability right here.
My thought was, we're already fucking wet.
Man, let's just keep weeding.
We're
That's what I'm
already
talking about.
We're already wet. We might as well finish it.
Look,
Man.
look.
It
came down so fast, so hard, out of nowhere. I am running with the mower to the trailer, and I'm flying. However fast that Turf Tiger can go, it was max capacity. Flying.
Flew right past
And
me,
as
bro.
I'm passing by Pizza, I'm thinking he's gonna start running by me. The dude runs off to the
He went to
backyard.
the back of the yard.
And weed eats. I'm like, dude, I'm like, woo, let's go. And he didn't hear me, and he ran to the back.
Commitment.
Commitment to more.
We were already wet. Might as well finish.
Well, we're not done.
I know.
Day's done.
I'm already in the truck now. It's over.
Look at us, bro. I ain't gonna lie, though.
We're drenched.
For a minute before it started raining, that little breeze felt good.
No, it did.
I know. Don't do it to us, bro.
No, just so it doesn't get muggy, trust me. No, I'm not doing the AC, but we got to get some air to the windshield. Otherwise, we're going to have freaking muggy so in here. He said, don't do it to us.
Don't give us a 40, bro. I can't afford it right now. I can't afford pneumonia right now, bro.
Oh, man, they weren't kidding about that flood watch, were they?
And I'm talking about 50, 60% chance that goddamn 60 came through today.
We were all moving faster than I've ever seen us move, though.
Look, I was still trying to come back around and be like, all right, let me read what I missed. And it's wet as hell, I can't see nothing. Yippee-ki-yay, boys.
Man. Well, there you have it, my ninjas. This is how our day is wrapping up. We did not finish. I can't even see. We did not finish. These two houses, there's two houses side by side, and we didn't finish them. And we have one more commercial to go to, and we're obviously not going to get to that. So I'm just going to knock that out tomorrow, and that way we don't have to worry about it, and we can start out the week fresh next week and stay caught up, because I think it's supposed to be dry enough tomorrow. But this is insane. Just out of nowhere. We've had rain every week, guys. Every week. And every week I'm just barely getting by to staying caught up. It's been crazy.
Make sure to let the YouTubers know. It's not a good feeling when you got jeans on and your drawers wet as hell. That ain't a good feeling.
Well, you heard him.
It ain't a good feeling, bro.
Pizza would be out here weed eating in this right here now.
Yeah.
He'd be like, Nick, we missed the spot over there.
Grab a blower.
Grab a blower.
Grab a blower. Blow that excess grass off. Yeah, really.
Dirty job. Somebody's got to do it.
What?
Yeah, man, you can't even see, bro.
I can't even see. YouTube, I've been asking about you. Where you been?
What's up, world? Had a couple days off, man, you know.
Everybody's saying, where's Jimmy at? Where's Jimmy at?
Hard work, man. Sometimes you gotta take a days off. Like those couch sitters who are always sitting at home. Feel me? I now know how I feel to just sit at home a few days, you know. Take it easy a little bit, you know.
Watch some TV.
No. Just be with my babies, man. You know, I got babies.
Yeah. But I told him you had a couple days off, so Jimmy is back to attack because all that rain made us slack.
Don't worry, baby. We'll be back.
We'll be back.
I'm here, world. I ain't going nowhere.
All right. Well, listen, guys, I'm gonna focus on driving. It's nasty. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I've gotten a chance today to record a little bit more than usual, or more than normal here recently. So hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll definitely update you tomorrow what I get into, and I'm obviously gonna come out here and finish these couple of yards that we didn't get to today, and there you have it. Later, my ninjas. Take care. Want to say bye?
Bye, YouTube.
Bye, YouTube.
Thank you.